area over here. Remember over here?
Oh, yeah.
That was the first thing you pointed out. Check that out.
Ooh,
It's good. Look at that. Beautiful floors.
You can see the detail.
You can see the yeah. That's why I say I don't like to go too shiny because the higher the gloss, it makes the floors look unnatural.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm glad you guys chose that satin finish. All right, guys. Another happy client. Look, she said. Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Sunday, January the 12th. We are out here in the Houston, Georgia area. I've actually done a few homes in this community. So let me look at that beautiful view back there, guys. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing today. This is almost close to 1,000 square feet, screen and recoat with wax removal. All right, guys, so I came out here last week. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Bond. They actually found me online. I came out, did a consultation. And one thing that triggered them to know that something was wrong with the floors, look at those scuff marks. You see all that, guys? See that? That's basically wax on the floor. So they watched some of my videos to kind of get an idea what was going on. So right now we are just setting up for this job. Now we were supposed to do this job yesterday, but in our area we got a lot of snow, and then it created a lot of ice, slippery road, so we rescheduled to today. As you can see, they got all the furniture moved out. Let me see if you can see some snow out here. Not really out here, but on my side in Lawrenceville, it was still snow on the roofs and on my car this morning. So anyway, guys, what we're gonna do first is get these floors pre-treated. I am cleaning and emulsifying using True Clean. So we're gonna be doing this. Now they're not moving the piano. I think out of 10 years, I've had one client that moved his piano. He had to hire a whole separate company to move the piano besides the movers. So again, you see all this, see all those scuff marks? That's all those little micro scratches. That's wax on the floor. See how the floors are real shiny? That's wax on the floor. So we're gonna be doing the dining room, this whole open living room area, then going into this beautiful kitchen. This is actually connected so that doesn't move. All around here. See all those scratches? That's all in the wax. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. An air mover. Look at the huge difference. I'm gonna zoom in. Look at that. Wow, huge difference. So you can actually see where that scuff mark still in the finish and how it stopped. And look at all that wax we have removed. So we've already done all of this. We've already done around this nice, beautiful island. Okay, Tavares just treated that hallway. But you can see all the wax marks. You don't see those scuff marks anymore. Actually, it was some type of red mark over here. It looked like paint or crayon or something. But guys, it is a humongous, oh, that's a huge difference. Trying to get a good angle, but you guys saw it. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, guys, we're gonna finish getting this wax up, and then we're gonna screen the floor, get a nice coat of 2-component finish on these floors. Stay tuned. All right, guys, my clients came upstairs. They're loving how the floors are looking already. So what I'm doing now is screening the floors now. As you can see, I messed up. I made a bad choice, but it's okay. Good thing we're only about 20 minutes from the shop. The clients came upstairs, and immediately when she saw the floors, she said, yeah, Courtney, I like this natural look. So this is like more of a matte satin finish. And I brought semi-gloss because what I did, I prejudged that a lot of times when people, what we're doing is taping off this. A lot of times when people put those polishes on their floors, that tells me that they want some type of sheen. So what I did, I brought semi-gloss. So I'm going to send Tavares back to the office and get some a satin finish. And so I'll stay behind and just finish screening. And then also they just added the stairs to the basement. Oh man, it's beautiful out here, guys. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got the wax remove, floor screen, stairs in the basement done. Tavares is vacuuming, and what I'm doing, I'm just following up behind him, cleaning and tacking these floors. Cleaning tacking is a lot of importance of cleaning tacking first. Get up all the dust off the floor that the vacuum don't get up, and also it reflects anything that might still be on the floor that we might need to get off. So yeah, man, this floor looks really, really good. I'm going to be going with a satin finish on these floors. Clients said they did not want the floor shiny. They wanted to look more natural. So I did send Tavares back to the shop to get some satin finish. All right, guys, stay tuned.
All right. Yeah. Yes, all right.
Now don't pass out on me, Mr. Bud. You stay behind it now just in case you pass out now. All right, guys, my clients are coming up. This is going to be their first time seeing the floors since the wood floor.
Beautiful.
All right, Daddy.
Oh, wow.
Yes, ma'am. That's,
Like that.
you like that?
Yes, that's beautiful.
That's what you was looking for. Yep.
That's what I was looking
Oh, that's what you was looking for. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Look at all of the
All the scratches. I'm gonna point something out to you. You remember that hole in your floor? You can see. You don't know where it's at now, do you? I know where it's at.
It's filled in.
You filled it in. Yep. I filled it in for you. Yep.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's pretty. And remember your most trouble area over here? Remember over here?
Oh, yeah.
That was the first thing you pointed out. Check that out.
Ooh, you can't even tell.
It's good. Look at that. Beautiful floors.
Pretty. You can see the detail.
You can see the yes. That's why I say I don't like to go too shiny, because the higher the gloss, it makes the floors look unnatural.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm glad you guys chose that satin finish. All right, guys. Another happy client. Look, she said you can't see any scratches, and that's what people want, man. So a lot of times, like I say in my videos, guys, and we also cleaned this for them. They had a lot of wax on this marble, so we wanted to clean that for them as well as a little bonus. And then also too, like I said, they had a hole in the floor, and I just filled it in right there. No one would never know unless I pointed it out. All right, guys. Everything went well. Mr. and Mrs. Bunn are happy with the process. Another job well done. I actually booked a few consultations today, and we have a book next week. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.